In this lecture, we're going to work on the settings of the app within Xcode. So first of all, click on the info.plist and you can give a name to your app. Right here it says message sticker co-op, and I'm going to rename this and call this one multiplayer robot stickers. Okay, but feel free to name it any way you want. Okay, so multiplayer, so that meaning that multiple people can work on that, but you don't have to name it the same way as mine. All right. Now, next, you can click on the stickers co-op in the project, and also make sure that you have the stickers co-op name here. That's also good. Right here, multiplayer robot stickers. So make sure you have that name here. You should have it now. All right. Next, click on change_me.swift. And once you're inside of that file, that's inside of the message stickers co-op, we're going to change the value. So select base, instead of select the first floor, we're going to say select the legs. Okay? And then add a second floor, so select the body. Add the body. And then finish with a roof instead of a roof, so finish with a head. Or robot head. Okay? And then let's build a robot. Here, then I added, when you say second floor, I added the body. And then we started creating a house, so we started creating a robot. And then finally, our finished robot, and we added the body to the robot. Okay, so this is all the text that will appear. Now, if you want a different background color, feel free to use hexadecimal numbers. Okay, so these are RGB values. So look on the internet for RGB values, and you'll find values from 0 to 255. Okay, and these are the ones you need to change here. All right, red, green, and blue. Don't change the alpha. Leave the alpha to 1. Okay, so save this, do a product clean, and then product build to run this. Now, something important you want to change also is the product bundle identifier. So you can go to the build settings and locate identifier. So go to search and locate the product bundle identifier. Now this one we will change whenever we do the changes in iTunes Connect.